Welcome. Today is Saturday. My name is Hans and I am your host here at this little shaving show. 2 seconds. Just to close out the wind. Perhaps you're a bit crooked. There you go, you're a bit crooked, yeah. Better now. The kids are playing in the background, so if there's any noise, apologise for that, but kids should be kids. So, what are we using today? Today is a review of Stirling boat drink. It's a brownish color, Stirling consistency, that being a medium croap. Nice scent of the puck, medium scented, 5-6, yeah, around medium, not faintly, but it's there. You get some bananas and you get something else that mixes in quite nicely. That almost gives it a chocolatey vibe to it, even though scent profile wise there's no chocolate in this. Might be a little yingling because I don't know how that smells like, but that's what I pick up. And I just got out of the shower and I'm trying to get a grip on my hair, which is kind of flying everywhere until it's dried out and I get some product into it. What else are we going to be using? We're going to be using the Viking ball from Rune Yarns. Scraped in there way too much. Also soaking, even though that's not necessary, the Rune Yarns Viking Runes brush with the Umo knot in it. And as a pre-shave, we're going to be using the cube. Now there's no lights on because we have to conserve our energy in this country. Not now, but we're trying here to go into having good habits already. So if the lights is messing up a bit, I'm only using sunlight today. So if it mixes up and the camera adjusting back and forth, I apologize for that, but that's just a condition we have to work under these days. So I'm wet, so we'll get the pre-shave on. And I will flip now to the lathering. Hopefully that perhaps I'll try to go about this a bit better with the sun coming in. It's a good backbone on this brush. Now it whips up kind of brownish in colour. Oh, there you go, here. This might be better. I'll try not to shadow too much. The brush is going to get loaded quite a lot. And I have the pre-shave on doing its thing until the lather comes on and sort of melts in. Nice ball. This is my favorite ball, my favorite handle brush. It's ceramic, so it's a bit different than other kinds of brushes. I think we're ready now, and we'll get to finish the lather on the face. So here we're back, ready to lather up. But before we do that, let's show what we're using. We're using the Feather Shavette with a Pro Guard blade in it. I'm going to speed up the second and third pass a bit more because, well, time being what it is. I don't want to keep you that long. So let's see how this Stirling soap does. And it being Stirling, I am already having some expectations for it. Now the scent strength has increased ever so slightly. Ever so slightly. Still getting the banana, and with it something else, reminiscing of something chocolatey, even though I know there's no chocolate scent in the soap, but that's sort of the vibe I'm getting. Seems nice, slick, pasty even, so think we'll be able to add a bit more water here. And yes, I am lathering the mustache area here, goatee, the Van Dyke. But I'm not shaving it off, I'm just loading it because, yeah, I like the feeling. And it's nice to have some backup lather if you end up needing it. So, let's see here. Let's wet it. We're using cold water. I always only use cold water, except if I'm looming. So let's see if we can get you to watch this. It's been some time. Let's see. Is that better? Yeah, it's better. 3 days of growth. I did a touch up on Wednesday. Look at the hair, just all over the place. Light touch, don't add pressure. Leave it gliding across the skin. Nice. Yeah, nice slickness when you add water to it. Just like I would expect from any Stirling. So, let's double down the drain. See how we did here. Very nice. So I'll speed up this lathering process and do second pass. Very nice, that is. Soap is doing its job very nicely. And yeah, soap is doing its job as it should. Great, actually. Blade is performing nice. Razor as well. It's a good shave. So, check. My shave did a wee nick there. Children are almost getting into an argument, so I better have to run off. I'll do a face wash and I'll see you at the post shave. So, welcome back. This is how we did. Wee nick here. I could have gotten a bit closer over here, but that's my technique. Nothing to do with the razor or the blade. Sorry, got lost there. That's just my technique. I don't know how to go cross over yet, but we'll put on some witch hazel and we'll look at what we used. Some wee tingling here and there. Also could have gotten a bit closer on the neck still. That's just my technique. That'll be better with age, hopefully. So what do we use? We use this filler shavette. I love this wooden handle. Pro Guards provided a close and comfortable shave. Could have gotten a bit closer and didn't nick myself here, but that's something to do with me, nothing to do with the shaving hardware. We also use the Moog with the Rune Yarn sandal, ceramic. There's there. Performed beautifully, and I'll just pour out the water, it's soaking, and so that it can be cleansed. Viking bowl, great, the best that I've ever tried. Boat drink, great product. But my daughter, she usually gets allowed to smell a lot of my soap because she thinks it's funny. And when she opened this, she smelled it and she went like this. She didn't enjoy it, and then I said, "Well, then it's lucky it's not you who's going to shave with it." We're going to have the matching aftershave on, and add a bit of menthol to this, obviously. So let's see how this does. Stirling aftershave has witch hazel in it as well, so we'll double up on the witch hazel on the face. Ooh, nice. It has that same scent as a bit more as the soap, kind of with the banana and with something else that reminiscing of something chocolatey, but it's a nice scent. And Stirling aftershave it leaves my skin feeling very great, a post-shave feeling. So that was it. Hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you liked it. Comment anything if you wish to, and I'll see you on Tuesday for another shave. Hopefully there's going to be lights on then, because it's in the evening. So, but stay safe out there. Goodbye.